Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2025 XC thermodynamics paper. Question number 102 is air at 101 kPa 15 degrees Celsius and 50% relative humidity is first heated to 20 degrees Celsius in a heating coil and then humidified by spraying water on it. In the final state, the air has temperature of 25 degrees Celsius and relative humidity of 85%. The amount of water supplied in gram per kilogram of dry air is dash rounded off to 2 decimal places. Use the following data. The saturation pressure of water at 15 degrees Celsius is equal to 1.7057 kPa. The saturation pressure of water at 25 degrees Celsius is equal to 3.1698 kPa. So here we know that relative humidity is PV by PS. PV is vapor pressure, PS is saturation pressure, and at the initial condition the relative humidity is given as 50% and corresponding to temperature 15 degrees Celsius. Initially temperature is 15 degrees Celsius. The saturation pressure is given, that is 1.7057. So from this we can find out vapor pressure. So PV by 1.7057 is equal to 0.5. So PV is your 0.85285 kP. Okay, so that is your vapor pressure. And specific humidity, the formula for specific humidity is 622 PV by PT minus PV. So PV is your 0.85285 and PT is your 101 total pressure at initial condition. So from this we can find out omega I. Omega I is your initial specific humidity, that is 5.2969 gram per kilogram of dry air. Okay. And at final condition the relative humidity is given as 85% and temperature is given as 25 degrees Celsius and corresponding to that temperature saturation pressure is 3.1698. Okay, so PV comes out as 2.69433 kPa. Okay, so final humidity can be found from the same formula, but here PV is 2.69433. So final humidity or final specific humidity comes out as 17.04 gram per kilogram of dry air. So amount of water added is omega F minus omega is equal to 11.75 gram per kilogram of dry air. So answer is 11.75 gram per kilogram of dry air. So that is your final, that is your initial, just we have to subtract. So as it is asked that amount of water supplied in gram per kilogram of dry air, so that is the answer, because it is first heated 20 degrees Celsius in heating coil, so there is no water added here. Water is added in second process, then humidified by supplying water. So that is the water added. So that comes out as 11.75 gram per kilogram of dry air. So answer is 11.75.